Now children, today let's start with chapter number 8, that is reproduction in plants. So in this chapter I will tell you about reproduction in plants, how plants reproduce. Basically we have two types of reproduction, asexual and sexual reproduction. So we see many kinds of plants and tree around us. Plants grow in number due to process of reproduction. This is the process, life process of reproducing one own kind. It is one of the feature of living beings, and the ability of living organism to produce new individual of their own kind is called reproduction. It is not essential for the survival of organism, right? And it must for the survival of species, as reproduction ensures that organism leaves behind more individual of its kind, right? Now, process of reproduction in plants. So the process of reproduction is carried out in several ways. So some living produce kind of their body, while other lay eggs to reproduce. So as for the plants, they grow seeds by the process of life and dormant state. Reproduction falls into two classes, asexual and sexual. If we talk about asexual reproduction, we can say this method of reproduction does not involve mating of male and female of same sex. जैसे आपका binary fission हो गया, right? इसमें no male or female is required. In this way, unicellular organism, etc. The parent divides its body into two cells, and each of them grows to the size of the parent cell. The process goes on and species continue to exist, and the word fission means division. But sometimes a protective cover develops around the cell which gets divided inside in many times. This cover is called cyst. और जब ये break करती है तो what happen? Number of cells release together. इसको हम daughter cell कहते हैं, while the fusion is called multiple fusion. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Multiple fusion कहते हैं. Budding. Some creatures grow as bud and overgrowth of the parent body. It is common among the sponges और जो parent body होती है वो split करती है two में, and one of the part passes into bud, or bud that may retain attached to the parent or may get separated from it. Corals, hydra and yeast, what they produce in a way. And then we have sporulation. In this method, parent release single cell structure called spores from its body. Each spores grow into full-fledged organism. This is malaria, parasites, moles, mosses. Now, fragmentation and regeneration. The process in which somewhat similar to the binary fission. Parent breaks into several pieces and each part grows into full adult. The missing part grows through a process called regeneration, right? Vegetative reproduction. This method is used by the plants to carry and grow from their own body parts. Root, stem or shoot direct. This is sweet potato, garlic, mint, ginger and water high. These all are the example of vegetative reproduction. देखो वेजिटेटिव प्रोपोगेशन होती है बाय रूट्स, बाय स्टेम्प और बाय लीव्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द बाय रूट्स. जैसे आपका स्वीट पोटैटो, डहलिया हो गया, ये रूट से क्या करते हैं? रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं. दे आर बरीड इन द सॉइल एंड व्हाट दे डिड, दे गिव न्यू प्लांट. देन वी हैव बाय स्टेम्प. जैसे आपके पोटैटो, जिंजर, शुगर केन, they confuse to recognize whether these plants grow from stem or roots, right? Potatoes which you eat is swollen stem, and the eyes of potato stem क्या करती है? वो स्प्राउट करती है और किसको राइज देती है? न्यू प्लांट. Now vegetative propagation by leaves. Some plants multiply by their leaves, and such plants are called bryophyte, begonia, right? And these plantlets develop from the edge of these plants when they come in contact with soil. तो detached हो जाते हैं from the leaves and they grow into a new plant. किसमें grow करते हैं? New plant. Next is artificial propagation. We have different method. First is grafting. इसमें क्या करते हैं? हम कटिंग करते हैं वन प्लांट की एंड प्लेस्ड ओवर द स्टम, स्टॉक ऑफ द अदर प्लांट, ऐसे करते हैं और उसको हम किसी से बांध देते हैं, राइट? क्लम्स क्या होता है? स्टेम कटिंग विद जॉइंट्स, दे आर बरीड इनटू द सॉइल इन दिस मेथड. और जो प्लांट्स होता है वो जो जॉइंट होता है उससे बाहर आते हैं. नाउ लेयरिंग. द ब्रांच ऑफ द प्लांट ये बेंट होती है ग्राउंड पे, ठीक है? ग्राउंड पे ऐसे बेंड कर जाता है और उसके ऊपर सॉइल बरी करा जाए, राइट? Then we have tissue culture. A growing plant is taken from the shoot tip of plant and cell is separated from each other, और एक placed होता है jelly which is nutritive hormone, and it makes the cell split into group of cell. और वो क्या develop करते हैं? Roots and small plants from them. Now sexual reproduction. So in this method, one male cell and one female cell fuse together and form a third cell. A male cell is called sperm while the female cell is called ovum or egg. और जो resultant cell होता है वो zygote है. और the process of fusion of male and female cell is called fertilization, and zygote begins to develop as a new organism in the female womb, right? So, but in case of egg-laying animal, female laps an egg with the developing zygote. In due course, that baby hatches from it. Now sexual reproduction. Common plants reproduce sexually. They are flowering plant as they have reproductive organ. And some flowers have both male and female reproductive organ in them. ठीक है, दोनों होते हैं, मेल भी और these. Let's study about the different parts of plant. ये क्या हो गया, आपका आंसर हो गया. पहले हम बात करते हैं ये क्या है, सेपल्स. ठीक है, दिस इज एंथर और फिलामेंट. और जब एंथर और फिलामेंट मिलते हैं तो क्या बनाते हैं, स्टैमेन बनाते हैं. ठीक है, ये आपका स्टिग्मा हो गया, ये आपका स्टाइल हो गया. एंड दिस इज योर ओवरी, और ये जो अंदर होते हैं क्या होते हैं, ओव्यूल. दे कंप्लीटली फॉर्म पिस्टल. दिस इज फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट और दिस इज मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट. राइट. नाउ द मेल ऑर्गन हैज अ लॉन्ग स्लेंडर स्ट्रक्चर, इसको हम स्टैमेन कहते हैं. इट इज सेक विद अपर, उसको हम एंथर कहते हैं. राइट. फीमेल ऑर्गन हैज अ राउंड बेस, जिसे हम ओवरी कहते हैं. एंड इट इज कॉल्ड स्टाइल विच लीड्स टू अपवर्ड फ्लैक्टेड. So we can say that next is pollination. The pollen grains are carried from anther to stigma. इस process को हम pollination कहते हैं. It cannot take place by itself. कौन करता है, bees और butterflies और bee. What happen, ये क्या carry करता है, male gamete को तो female egg जिसे हम stigma कहते हैं, और एक liquid produce करता है with sugar in it. और जो male cells होते हैं they move down the tube called style, और ये कहाँ reach करते हैं, ovary में, which has ovules in. Now formation of seeds and fruits. After the development of zygote, what happens? The flower slowly withers and the only ovary is left back. And the zygote in each ovule slowly develops what? Into seed, but in fruit plant, the ovary changes into fruit. Pollinating agent. The process of pollination does not occur itself. It is triggered by insects and bee. Next is insects. Many insects feed on the nectar of flower. Some other insects are attracted by the color and odor of the flower. When they sit on the flower, the pollen stick to their body, and when the insects visit some other flower, the pollen is fell into the flower, and what happens? They trigger pollination. Next is wind. Wind also blows pollen from one flower to another, but the wind pollination generally occur in flower जिनके क्या होते हैं, small और कोई petals नहीं होते, जैसे wheat, corn and grasses. They expose pistil to the wind and they carry out the process of pollination. What is fertilization? After pollination, pollen grain deposit to the stigma and germinate to form pollen tubes, which penetrate the style. And one male gametes, what happens? It enters to the ovule through the tube and fuses with the female egg. Now formation of seeds and fruits. Ovule develops into seed, stored fruit. Zygote form embryo which is enclosed in a seed coat. The ovary matures into the fruit. किसमें mature करती है, fruit. The size, shape and color of the fruit and seeds vary enormously and there are various strategies adopted. Let's study about the dispersal of seed. So seeds are dispersed in many ways, by wind, by water. So if we talk about wind, so we can say that they have wings and tufts of hair. जैसे seeds of drumsticks और maple उनके wings होती है जो air में move करने में उनकी help है. Cotton, caltropis and dandelion, इनके भी hair होता है around which float in air easily. Water. Some seeds and fruits are carried by long distances by water before they develop into new plant. जैसे हम कोकोनट सीड की बात करें, लोटस फ्रूट की, स्पॉन्जी पार्ट होता है वो फ्लोट करता है इजिली ऑन द वाटर. नेक्स्ट इज एनिमल्स. Animals are also important medium for dispersal. देखो, some seeds possesses spines or hooks which enables them to stick to their body, और उसको क्या करते हैं, एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस के पे कैरी करते हैं. Fruits are eaten by the animals such as birds enclosed seeds, और वो उसको distant places पे ले जाते हैं before they passed out their excreta without damage of the embryo. Now explosion of fruits. जैसे कुछ fruits फट जाते हैं, जैसे बालसम हो गया, पी हो गया, उससे भी क्या होता है, आपका जो seed dispersal होता है. Now germination of seeds. Germination of seeds starts when it takes in what? It helps enzymes inside the seed to be active. They digest the stored food और उसको soluble बनाते हैं, and this soluble fluid slowly what percolates to the roots and shoots, that is clubute, so that blood both of them begin to grow. दोनों क्या करें, grow करना start करें. And the shoot when it is broken out above the soil gets sunlight और वो green हो जाता है. Soon it begins to make food through photosynthesis using the soil solution. Right? As a result, it grows to be a seedling and then into a plant. किसमें change होता है? Plant. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.